Now I will show you how to update data into the database. In order to update data into the database, I will have to use this update query, and in this update query you will see that the update, then I will have to use the table name, and a new keyword is here, that is set. So set column name equal to value, you will have to use like this, and there will be a where of course, because you will have to update the particular information into the table. For example, I am going to update some data. Here you see that an update query is given here, update students, update table name, then set which data you will go to update. So this one you can update a lot of rows. You can update one specific column or more columns, 2 columns or 3 columns, etc. number of columns you can update in a particular row, and where the condition will be given here. So I am going to show you how to make work with that. Here I am going to change the query. So here I will update students, set, I will update the email, for example, where id equal to what. So here the new email equal to, I am going to my table, you see that this person's email where id equal to 6, I will change. Okay, so here the new email I am going to give, and here I am going to give the id where it will be updated, and the result is not needed here, I am going to make it off. So this 2 line is actually the update query. So if I now run this one, what will happen? Also here if you want, I can also update the phone number. Okay, so here I am going to update another field, comma, phone equal to what. So as the second parameter I am going to give the phone number like this. Now let's try to run this, refresh. Now I am going to the table, you see that the data has been updated, this one and this one, these 2 items are updated. So in this way you can easily update data into the database.